mystery of the slippery, glowing layer inside red Bombay onions revealed. Look, this is the innermost skin on a red Bombay onion, very shiny and smooth. Have you ever encountered an incident like this? Through a microscope, we can see the details and clarity of the deepest form of onion skin, as watery and moist as seen on the innermost skin of the red Bombay onion. If you look closely, the fibers are not visible because they are covered by an oil-like substance that is smeared all over the deepest skin. Previously, we have discussed a video of the outer skin of red Bombay onions. To see the difference in the video we are discussing this time. If you see dirt particles, it means that bacteria or germs and dirt have started to penetrate the deepest skin of the onion. Have you ever found something strange while peeling a red onion? After the dry, scaly outer skin, you find the inner layer. Wow, it looks oily and glowing. And when you touch it, it's really slippery. Is this normal? Or maybe the onion is too much skincare? Haha, don't worry. This phenomenon is actually really cool. And in this video, we'll reveal the scientific secrets behind it. First, let's answer the question, why does it look oily or glowing? The answer is, it's not oil, but light reflecting off the super moisturized and smooth surface. Imagine the inner layer of an onion is its kitchen and water storehouse. Within its cells, it stores a large amount of water. Plus two secret ingredients, namely pectin, a natural fiber that makes jam thick, and mucilage, a natural mucus substance like that found in aloe vera. This combination of water, pectin, and mucilage forms a kind of clear, moist protective gel. Now, when exposed to light, this gel surface reflects the light, giving it an oily or glowing appearance. That's a sign your onions are still very fresh. Now, on to the second question. Why is it so slippery when you hold it? This is the fun part. When you damage the coating, whether by peeling, rubbing, or cutting, the gel-filled cells burst. The mucilage and pectin all come out and mix with the water. The result? A super slippery liquid forms between your fingers. The exact same phenomenon occurs when you cut okra or aloe vera. So, that slippery sensation is physical evidence that the onion has an active defense mechanism. So, what does this smooth, glowing layer do for onions? Turns out it's pretty cool. First, as a life preserver, if the outer shell is like a rigid suit of armor, this inner layer is a sophisticated raincoat. It keeps the water in the onions from evaporating, so that the onions stay fresh and don't dry out. Second, it acts as a food store. This layer stores water and nutrients ready for use in metabolism. If we plant this onion, new shoots will grow from this layer, seeking the sun. Third, as a defensive weapon, imagine it from an insect's perspective. Want a bite? It's slippery and tastes weird because of the sulfur compounds. Eventually, the pest gave up. Its slipperiness is a natural survival strategy. So, in conclusion, the oily, glowing, and slippery inner layer of red onions is not a defect or something strange. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more interesting videos. See you in the next one.